Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by organizing your assets and picking the right model for the job. Have your source image, optional reference images, and a clear text prompt ready. Make a simple mask that covers regions you want to change. That mask tells the AI where to operate. Once done, load the image and mask into the chosen tool or API, set resolution and seed if available, and run a quick test pass to confirm inputs are correct before larger edits. Now you focus on precise control. Set the edit strength so the AI preserves what you want and changes what you don't. Increase steps and guidance scale to improve fidelity, but be mindful of runtime. If you have a reference, mix it with your source using a blend or style ratio. That explains to the model how much of the reference to adopt. Once configured, run a few small batches, compare outputs, and iterate, tweak prompt wording and mask edges. Finish by choosing the best variation and making any manual touch-ups like color correction or cloning to fix minor artifacts. Upscale only after you're satisfied to preserve detail and export a master layered file for future edits. If something goes wrong, say odd artifacts or composition shifts, reduce edit strength, tighten your mask, or increase guidance and steps to stabilize the result. Make incremental changes and test. That way you learn why the AI produced each outcome.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.